Welcome to Limpiar, where we believe that every home deserves to sparkle. We understand that life can get busy, and maintaining a clean home can sometimes be challenging. That's why we're here, to offer you a solution that will make your home shine like never before. At Limpiar, we pride ourselves on being your trusted cleaning partner. Our professional and experienced team is dedicated to transforming your living space into a pristine haven with our one-time cleaning services. Our cleaning experts are equipped with the latest tools and environmentally friendly cleaning products, ensuring that we leave your home not only spotless, but also safe for your family and pets. Imagine coming home to a kitchen that's not just clean, but shines with a freshness that invigorates the entire space. Limpiar can turn that dream into a reality. From bedrooms to bathrooms, living rooms to kitchens, our meticulous attention to detail ensures that no corner of your home is overlooked. We believe in going beyond just cleaning. We aim to create an environment that rejuvenates your spirit. Life is meant to be lived, and we want to give you the gift of time. With Limpiar's one-time cleaning services, you can reclaim your weekends, spend quality moments with your loved ones, and leave the cleaning to us. So, why wait? Let Limpiar transform your home into a sparkling sanctuary. Contact us today for one-time cleaning services that will leave you delighted and your home shining bright. Limpiar, where cleanliness meets happiness.